we are going to learn about manipulating compound inequalities. What does it mean? It means you will find here some equalities, they are in all together. The inequalities which are in all together, they are called compound inequalities. So look at this. Sometimes the problem with compound inequalities will require you to manipulate the inequality in order to solve the problem. It means whenever you find two or three inequalities in within one inequality, look here, this is a compound inequality, because look here, one inequality, another inequality. You can perform operations on a compound inequality as long as you remember to perform those operations on every term in equality. It means whenever you perform any operation in any site, suppose you are performing here any operation, the same operation you must be perform here, as well as you need to perform here also. And here they have mentioned also not just the outside terms. It means you cannot perform the operation here and here, you must perform the operation here, here, as well as here in every portion in this inequality. Now check this one. Look, here the inequality is x plus 3 less than y less than x plus 5. So what they have done, look at this. Here the term was x plus 3 and we get x. It means they have subtract 3 from this side. So you need to subtract 3 from as well as here and here also. If you, but look at this, here they didn't subtract 3. So if they subtract, in that case the value will be y minus 3, but they didn't do this, that's why it is wrong. And here you need to subtract 3 also. So x plus 5, if you subtract 3, then it will be x plus 3. So they have subtract this one and this one, but they forget to subtract this one, that's why it is wrong. So it is written here, you must subtract 3 from every term in the inequality. Okay, now what is the correct version of this inequality operation? So look at this, I am subtracting 3 from here, so that's why the remaining part is x. I'm subtracting 3 from this one also, so that will be y minus 3, and here also, so x plus 3. So this is correct. Then the next one, look at this. Here here the inequality is c by 2 less than or equals to b minus 3 less than or equals to d by 2. So what they have done, firstly, here 2 is in division and they vanish this 2. How? By multiplying 2. So this is multiplied by 2. You need to multiply this one also by 2, but they didn't multiply the middle portion by 2, that's why it is wrong. Okay, so you must multiply by 2 in every term in the inequality. Okay, so look at this one. So c by 2, again the same thing, but you need to multiply this one with which term? 2. I think they have written here correct, but they have forgotten to multiply this one with 2. Okay, so our answer will be c less than or equals to 2 multiplied by b minus 3 less than or equals to d. Okay, now let us do this one. If 1, so they have written 1 greater than 1 minus ab greater than 0. So I need to find out the value of AV. Actually, they have asked me which statement is true. First, I need to find out the value of AB. That's why I need to isolate that one. So what I need to do, I need to subtract 1 from the both sides. So 1 minus 1, because I need to vanish this one. So 1 minus AB minus 1 greater than minus 1. 0 minus 1 means minus 1. So 1 minus 1 means 0, greater than this one, and this one will be cut down, minus AB greater than minus 1. And I need to find out the value of AB. That's why I am here multiply the every side with minus 1. So if I multiply 0, then this will be 0 also. And this sign will be, whenever you multiply any inequality with negative number, in that case the sign will be reversed. So this greater than will be less than, this minus AB will be AB, this greater than will be less than 1. So our answer will be, look at this, from 0 to 1. So if I calculate the value in the number line, then what will happen? Suppose this one is 0, this one is 1. So our value will be something like this point and this point, in between these 2 points. Not 0, not 1. In between in this 2 point. Okay. So look. So check this answer this way. এই যে look, so 0 less than ab less than 1. Okay, so we have find this value. So what does it mean 0 less than ab less than 1? It's mean, look, any number which is greater than 0 means that number is positive. That's why ab is positive. So how can this ab positive in together? Suppose a is positive value as well as b is positive value. In that case, their multiplication will be positive. Again, if this one is a is negative and b is negative, then it is also positive also. So what does it mean? It means whenever these two signs are same, suppose plus and minus, in that case the total value, the multiplicative value will be positive. So here a as well as b, they both have the same value, same sign, actually not same value, same sign. And ab always positive means ab greater than 0. Now check this one. So first one, if a and b both are in the same sign, suppose a is plus b is plus, in that case their multiplication will be also positive, their deviation will be also positive. That's why it is correct. Okay, and less than 1 means once it will be negative, so it is not correct. And ab less than 1, it is correct because we have given this one. And lastly, so if I check this one, so our answer is, correct answer is a and c. Now let us read this one. Therefore, you know that 0 less than AB less than 1. This tells you that AB is positive. Yes, of course, AB is positive. Zoom a little bit. Okay. Of course, AB is positive and A by B must be positive because I have already discussed this one. Because A and B both have the same sign. Therefore, A by B, whatever A by B is less than 1 or greater than 1, I don't necessarily do. I don't know. Actually, AB is must be less than 1 or not. What if the value will be greater than 1? So I don't know. That's why our correct answer will be A and C. Now we are going to check our skill. So the problem number is 26. Minus 7 less than 3 minus 2x less than 9. So first I need to isolate the variable. So what I can do, minus 7 minus 3 less than minus 2x minus, I am less than 9 minus which number, 3, because I am subtracting minus 3 from the every side. So look at this. So minus 10 less than minus 2x less than, this will be 6. So here I need to isolate the variable. That's why I need to divide all the terms with minus 2. Whenever you divide any number with negative sign, in that case your sign will be reversed. So if I divide minus 10 by minus 2, then it will be 5. This less than will be greater than, this will be x, and this less than will be greater than, and this will be minus 3 because I am dividing it by minus 2. So what does it mean? It means our value, um, x, the variable here x is less than 5 but greater than minus 3. If I arrange this properly, then our value will be something like this one. So minus 3 greater than x greater than less than 5. So this one and this one is same. So our value will be this one. Okay. So if I draw the number line, then how I can draw this? Suppose this one is minus 3, this one is 5, and our value will be in between minus 3 and 5. So let me draw the circle. Suppose this one is a circle, this one is a circle, and our value will be something like this one. Okay, our value will be something like this one. Thank you for today.